Hey there, fabulous makers. Welcome back to my swing corner where creativity runs wild, scraps find purpose, and we prove that handmade is always better than store bought. Today, we're making a super chic, super easy hard case. And guess what? We're doing this with just one pattern piece. Better grab your fabric, thread, and coffee or tea because this is going to be fun, fast, and fabulous. Three F's. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more of this one pattern magic projects. Now let's dive in. But wait, there is a twist to this one pattern magic, and that is you're going to cut this one piece mirrored. What does mirror even mean? It means one piece will be cut normally and the other piece mirrored. So after you've cut your pattern pieces, remember one regular and one mirror. Don't forget this step. Fuse the fusible fleece to the wrong side of the exterior fabric. You need a pair of scissors, a ruler, and of course, your snap button kit. Next, you're going to be placing your exterior and your lining piece right sides together. So this means the pretty sides of the fabric are facing each other like two best friends hugging it out. Clip or pin them in place because we don't want any sneaky slippage while we sew. Then after you're done clipping in place, we're going to head to the sewing machine and stitch all around the edge with a 3/8 of an inch sewing allowance. Yeah, but wait, before you get carried away, leave a 6-inch gap at the bottom straight edge. That's our escape hatch for turning this beauty inside out later. Don't skip this step unless you like unpicking stitches at midnight while questioning your life choices. Been there, done that. Okay, now for the magical part, which is turning the case right side out through that 6-inch gap we left earlier. But you need to be patient here. It might feel like you are wrestling an octopus, but I promise it to look amazing in the end. You're going to first trim your seam allowance to about 1/4 of an inch. Make sure you do not cut into your stitches while you're trimming. When you're done, you can now turn out your case or turn the case right side up through the gap we left earlier. Once you're done, you're going to be pressing this nice and flat. And then you're going to be using a blunt tool like a chopstick or a pen with a lid on to poke out the corners nicely. Once everything is looking crisp, just go ahead and close that little gap at the bottom. You can either hand stitch it for a neat finish or top stitch along the edge. As for me, I'm team top stitch because let's be real, I love my sewing machine too much to not use it one more time. Now we're going to be folding the rectangular part first or the square side first, creating a neat little pocket, then fold the slant edge on top. So this is going to create the second card slot. And then we're going to stitch, which is what we just did. Then as soon as we're done, you can put your cards in to see if they actually fit. Make sure your stitches are clean because if they're not clean, it's going to show on your card case in the end. Then this is time to snap this card case shut. We're going to be installing the snap buttons. Please follow the instructions on your snap kit and give yourself a round of applause when the snap actually snaps. So make sure the snap is aligned perfectly so that your card case closes securely. I'm measuring 1/2 inch in the middle of my what remains as my flap now. for me to install the male part of the snap kit. So like I was saying, make sure your snap is perfectly aligned so that your card case closes securely, because a floppy card case are kept. So this is the male part of my snap kit done. As soon as this is done, you're going to use the position of the male parts to get the position of the female parts. And we are almost done. As soon as the female part is done, ta-da! Your stylish card case is done. This card case holds at least 2 cards and a few notes, making it perfect for days when you just need the essentials. It's also great for extra card storage if your wallet is looking like a deck of cards exploded. Let me know in the comments what fabric you would use for this project. Floral, bold solids, maybe something sparkly. The options are endless, and trust me, you'll want to make a bunch of these for gifts. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your sewing besties, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun sewing projects. Until next time, keep stitching, stay creative, and remember, your bobbin always runs out at the worst possible time, but you've got this. Bye for now.